Moderna shares moving to the upside today. The FDA granting the company limited approval for its lower dose COVID-19 vaccine. This coming as the pharmaceutical industry has been under pressure, facing a fractured relationship with HHS head RFK Jr., as well as tariff policy risks more broadly. Our next guest names two key areas of opportunity for investors in the healthcare space. Joining us now, Jason Kritzer, Morgan Stanley Investment Management Portfolio Manager. Jason, great to speak with you this morning. Obviously, as we mentioned, a lot of headwinds for the pharmaceutical industry. What is giving you some optimism about how pharma stocks could do in the second half of the year right now?
Sure. Well, we're trying to focus on areas where there's less attention that the administration has. Medical devices and animal health are two areas that really are kind of avoiding a lot of the spotlight from an administration perspective. If you look at healthcare, it's been very, very volatile this year. Bottom of the leaderboard in terms of performance and from the S&P sector perspective. So trying to find areas where there are opportunities. On the medical device side, we really like Intuitive Surgical. This is a robotic surgery company. This is a very cool company. It's very innovative in terms of its design of its new products, which are helping surgeons basically become better at their job. The addressable market for this Da Vinci 5, this is their new robot. It's had about 8 million global procedures, and this is in urology, general surgery, gynecology. The company's procedure growth is in the 13 to 16% range. That's volume growth. We don't really see that kind of growth in healthcare, and so this has been a terrific long-term compounder. In the other areas, we really like animal health. Zoetis is a leader in the both companion animal, which is pet, and livestock space. For the last 10 years, Zoetis has grown above market, and that has been a core to that thesis. Really, has been their innovation. They're very large in pain, in flea and tick, and also in dermatology. Pain is more recently. There are 27 million dogs under the care of vets in the U.S. that have osteoarthritis, and their pain medicine is really just scratching the surface. They've only attributed sales in that space to about 1 million dogs.
Yeah.
There've been a lot of questions in the market about drug pricing in human health. Keep in mind, there's no Medicare, there's no doggy Medicare. So from that perspective, we like animal health.
Yeah, I thought that was a really interesting framework, Jason. Is animal health investing a way to be Washington-proofing your health portfolio right now?
We think so. I mean, really, if you look at, it's a cash pay market. As I mentioned, no Medicare. As we all know, people love their pets and will be willing to spend a lot on their pets sort of out of pocket. And so while no sector is completely immune to economic uncertainties, the pet market is one that's very exciting.
And my guest host, Jay Woods, has a question for you, Jason.
Hey, Jason, I think you're onto something big there. The ETF PAWS, P-A-W-Z, is a conglomerate of all those stocks. And you mentioned Zoetis. You may have already answered most of this question, but why does that stand out? Because there are other options within the pet insurance sector. Was it the livestock side of it? What was the thing that stuck out the most to you about Zoetis?
Well, if you think about Zoetis was a spin about 12 years ago out of Pfizer, and their roots are really on the innovation side, on the animal health, rather than on the livestock. They are a leader in livestock, and so their innovation engine is really what's attractive. They are coming out with new medicines for pets that have great outcomes, and that is really fueling their growth. And they're an above market grower, which has made it attractive to us.
Jason, really appreciate your time this morning. Thank you so much.
Thank you.